Here's how to use two WhatsApp account on one Android phone. Go to your phone settings and here scroll down, tap on advanced features. Here scroll down, tap on Duel Messenger, and here you will find WhatsApp. If you already installed WhatsApp app, then here you will see WhatsApp. Enable WhatsApp and tap on install, and your WhatsApp will be copied on your phone. Go back to your home page or app library, and here you will find your WhatsApp clone. So this is my primary WhatsApp and this is my secondary WhatsApp. Now you can go ahead and create another account in WhatsApp app. So that's how we can use two WhatsApp in phone.